Mkungu elephant angihambi ngihamba nabantu abadala.
This is Homerun with Mageba PMB. Mawungibona we Mageba. This is Homerun with Mageba. Mawungibona we Mageba. Bekelela na widladla. This is Homerun with Mageba PMB. If ungibona shout outs bafethu memezigama Mageba we Mageba we Mageba. This is Homerun with Mageba PMB. Angithi uyangithola. Hola bafethu, ngiphinde ngilibingelele bafethu, njengoba nazo angihambi ngedwa, angeke ngihambe ngedwa ngohlale ngingahambi ngedwa. Namhlanje sike Bramfontein bafethu eJohannesburg. uMageba ngihambi ngedwa ngiphethe baxolele behind the camera njaya masibangene. Khona umfethu engimbolile ngifuna ukuringa naye i-English angizwa ngithola. Asiye mfethu. Hola my brother. How are you my nigga?
Good, and you?
I'm good too. Hey mfethu. Hey, right now who am I speaking to?
My name is HARON.
HARON?
HARON, yeah.
From where?
From Joburg. Jozi.
Born and raised here.
Yeah.
Name. Oh, so where did you school?
I went to school in Kensington, Queen's High School.
Yo, for sure it's expensive.
No, it's a government school.
Oh, it's government school.
Government school.
Oh, no, I thought you were rich, my man.
No.
Thought you have money. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So right now here in this show, we go around asking people, what have you done for your family or something like this? What do you wish to do for them? Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, sorry to cut you. We're doing a home run show right now with my Nika. Showcase, you were saying?
So right now I'm running a store here in Play Bram. Crispy Skateboards, that's me. For my family, I work.
Oh, you're running a store?
Yeah, I'm running a store now.
When did you start? When did you think of that idea of opening a shop?
We've been running a shop for about a year now. A year we sell skateboards and merchandise like that.
Nice one. Who inspired you?
Who inspired me? Just skateboarding in Joburg.
So you're the master of skateboard?
Well, I try.
You try, yeah?
I try, yeah.
Okay, you've been to California. As right now I'm wearing California t-shirts.
In America?
Yeah. You've never been to America?
I've never left South Africa.
No. Oh, so your parents, where are your parents from?
Jozi.
Jozi? Born here and raised here?
Born and raised here.
Oh, my nigga, shout out, it's okay, my nigga. So how many languages do you know here in South Africa?
I only speak English, but I understand Afrikaans.
Only? Don't you know Zulu?
I can understand a little bit.
Yeah.
My daddy speaks Zulu.
Oh, yeah, properly?
Yeah, properly.
Okay, uyangizwa njengamanje.
Yeah.
I'm saying, do you hear me right now?
Yeah, I hear you.
No, nice one, my nigga. I'm trying, so I never went to multiracial school. I learned the English from here, from the hood.
Oh, from
the
Kasi, yeah.
From the hood, my nigga. I was schooling with the blacks only. My wish was to go to white school.
And you say from KZN?
Yeah, in Pietermaritzburg. You know that place?
Mm-hmm. I've been, yeah.
One day I'm gonna take you there and meet my family. My family is very nice.
I love that.
From church, Shembe, to know Shembe. Yeah, I'm a Shembe man. To see me, I'm Shembe, my nigga. Okay, so right now, what are we doing here?
We're just having a good time, spending a good Saturday, you know.
Yeah. Who are these artists?
The artists playing now.
Yeah.
I don't know, but they're good.
Yeah, too much.
They're good.
They're good.
I like them.
I deserve maybe a proper marketing, maybe.
Yeah,
for people to know them properly.
Yeah, I'll speak to the guys. I'll dap them up afterwards.
Yeah. Or you're not an artist like singing. You're not sing.
Yeah, I actually was in a band, not anymore. I play guitar.
You play guitar?
Yeah.
Just make a nice guitar. But
I play guitar, drums, keys, bass, all of those.
Yeah. All those things. Yeah. Nice one, my nigga. So you never told me what you wish to do for your family. Yeah.
Just to make everyone financially good, you know? Just to make sure everyone's chilling. Yeah. And then I'm chilling.
Yeah. One day we're gonna go to America, my nigga. Don't worry, I'm gonna take you.
Yeah. America, Europe. I'd rather go to Europe. America at this point.
Okay. So now, do you believe in God or in ancestors?
Yeah, to a certain degree.
God.
To a certain degree, yes.
Yeah. Shout out. Say ancestors, man.
Yeah, they're out there.
Yeah,
they're watching us.
Yeah, all the way up, my
All the way
nigga.
up.
You see. Shout out Jayam first. We appreciate the time, ne?
Oh yeah,
Make
appreciate
sure
it.
that make sure that you behave, my nigga.
Yeah, you too.
Okay, you saw the woman passing. What's the importance
No.
of the woman? What's the importance of the woman to you as a man? Can you please answer that? What's the importance of the woman to you as a man here in South Africa? Because right now we're facing rape, something like this. What's the importance of that?
I mean, they're the mothers, you know. They, the creation of life, you know. That's it. They're the true beings. They're higher than us, you know.
Yeah.
That's as far as I think.
Powerful words, my nigga. May God
Power.
bless you all the way up. Shout out. My name is Mageba. Can you say Mageba?
Mageba.
Danko Jayam. Awe, one love. Tuana, showcase. Izo Jayam. Sasokbab. Showcase. Yes. So, you can go and buy the thing that you went to buy. You want to buy. Or you off to somewhere. Where are you off to?
Getting food.
Oh, food.
I'm hungry now.
Oh, you're hungry now?
Yeah.
Go bite my nigga. I will see you there. Ne?
Cheers,
I'm
man.
coming back.
Thank
One love. Thank you. Ne? We thanks the time. We appreciate everything, my man. God bless. One love. Showcase. Awe first join us to Mageba bafethu akahambi yedwa ke ngihambe ngedwa bafethu ngohlale ngahambi ngedwa. This is Homerun with Mageba PMP. Namhlanje ngiphethe ugonka. Angihambi ngedwa ngiphethe umaqolele behind the camera. Ngiphuma le PMP emkukundlovu. Awuveze nje ukuthi igcwele kanjani nje la sikhona.
Look me in my eyes when you see me, delighted to be walking through these walls. Step by step, let's see how fast the ladies can fall. So I said, tell me what you want, and I deliver on it. Maybe it's a surprise when you get it, but I promise you'll receive it with a smile. Don't have to tell me, I can see it in your eyes, baby. I said, you are the one thing I know that I want. You are the one thing I know that you are the one thing I know that I want. You are the one thing I know that I know what I want. I know what I want. Because my jaw is fighting a war right now. Are you okay? You are the one thing I know that I want. Let's slow it down. You can give me what you have. Give me just basic keys. You are the one thing I know that I want. You are the one thing I know that you are the one thing I know that I want. You are the one thing I know that I know that I want. I know what I want. I know what I want. You are the one thing I know that I want. You are the one thing I know that you are the one thing I know that I want.